For part 2 of our house of the future, we are going to use our watercolor paints and paint the house. We are not painting out here. You're not painting the background, because when this is all done and everything is dry, we will cut out your house and put it on the calendar page. If your brush is hard right now, that would mean that it is brand spanking new, so you have to get it wet if it's hard, and then just kind of gently rub it with your fingers, and that will make it so it is soft. Please remember that watercolor is a very thirsty kind of paint, so you have to give it a lot of drinks with your brush. So before you even start, your brush goes in the water, no tapping, and make a little puddle in your paint and stir. And then we paint. And we use crayon for a reason. Crayon is made of wax and it resists the watercolor. So I can paint right over my crayon lines and they will not disappear. If you accidentally get too much paint on your paper, if you have a puddle, that's where you would clean your brush, pinch it dry, and then we can mop up the mess. Just make sure you're giving your brush lots of drinks. And if your paint looks all scratchy, let's say you start out painting, your paint looks all nice, and then it starts to look less nice and looks all scratchy, it means your brush needs another drink. So it's always water, paint, paper, and repeat, water, paint, paper, and go clear to the edge. Yes, a little paint might get on the table. That's all right, we will clean it later. And while you are painting your watercolor, you want to make sure your brush is always dancing on its toes, which means the hair here, and that you are not smashing it down. If you smash it down, this metal on the brush is going to scrape your paper, and then it leaves some very, very ugly scratch marks that you can't make disappear. So your brush always dances on its toes, and then give it another drink, put it in the paint, and paint some more. Smashing it does not make more paint come out. That is not how paintbrushes work. So be very, very gentle, and then your brush will be happy with you.